నేను ఇంజనీరింగ్ మేము నిన్న వచ్చాము సార్. ఇక్కడ మేము జీపీఆర్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ తీసుకున్నాం అక్కడ ఎస్ఎల్బిసి దగ్గర చేసాం సార్. అలాగే జీపీఆర్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఆల్రెడీ తెలిసిన ఎస్ఎల్బిసి దగ్గర ఇదేంటంటే నాన్ ఇన్వేజివ్ మనం డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ 20 మీటర్స్ వరకు ఇక్కడ మనం చూడగలుగుతాం. ఏమేమి చూస్ మెటీరియల్ ఉంది, క్యావిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, ట్రాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మనం ఈ సిస్టమ్ని ఏం డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకుండా, సెటప్ని ఏం డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకుండా చేస్తాం. అలాగే ఇక్కడ పెట్టింది సార్, ఇది సైస్మిక్ మెథడ్ అనుకుంటుంది. సైస్మిక్ మెథడ్ అంటే ఇది మల్టీ ఛానల్ అనాలిసిస్ ఆఫ్ సర్ఫేస్ సార్. దీనికోసం ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒక డిస్టెన్స్ అక్కడ ఒక హ్యామర్ ఉంది సార్. ఆ హ్యామర్ తోటి ఒకటి సార్ ఆ హ్యామర్ తర్వాత ఆ హ్యామర్ తోటి చిన్న డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇవన్నీ కూడా జియో ఫోన్స్, ఒక జియో ఫోన్ లేపు చూపించు సార్. అది రికార్డ్ చేస్తుంది, చిన్న జియో ఫోన్. అలాంటివి మేము ఏంటంటే ఈ చివరి నుంచి ఆ చివరికి దాదాపు 110 మీటర్స్ వరకు కూడా ఇక్కడ ప్లాన్ చేసాం, 2 మీటర్స్ ఇంటర్వెల్ తోటి. దీని ప్రకారంగా మనం ఏంటంటే సైస్మిక్ వేవ్స్ ఆ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ సార్. దిస్ ఈస్ MASW సార్. దిస్ ఈస్ మల్టీ ఛానల్. ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ NCR, CSIR, NCRI. So this we are carrying out to see up to a depth of 30 meters. This is basically that is to know the shear wave velocities. This is best for civil engineers to know the shear wave velocities. With this we are generating artificially with a hammer we are generating a trigger pulse. With that trigger then we have established, you can see that yellow box at the end and then one yellow box here. Each yellow box can take 24 channels. So like that 48 channels, that means 48 into 2, 96 meters at a time I am scanning inside the ground up to a depth of 30 meters. So whatever that is getting recorded in my system. With that wave velocities, because different waves will travel with different velocities, so that with the wave velocities we will see what kind of loose material is. How many, what is our issue? As of now sir, we only came yesterday night and then we took some sample record. We are getting some low velocity at one place, so that we can show in the system. So this is when we are doing this, I request you whatever the drill hole which were done earlier, kindly also take them for the confirmatory, because we are doing geophysical. Yes, we need it confirmative. Sure. Confirmation also by either drilling or by having the actual data. Yes. So now those bore holes are actually we are having certain cores and so you just re-examine all those. Yes, yes sir. Actually as per the analysis that we are actually having the 3 meters of sand. You can see that 3 meters of sand in my GPR also, in here also. Then after that whatever that GI, that ground improvement that they did like concrete, that also we have seen. And below that whatever the clay material that we are seeing. And up to 30 to 40 meters. That is beyond this, that is 7 meters that we can show it clearly. Then after that we are getting at one side 30 meters and at other side 40 meters of hard. So that probably we can show when we go to the other. Sir, actually this we are integrating with the crossover. CWPR is doing the crossover surveys and then the drone electromagnetic survey and the GPR survey. All these things will be integrated.
So they are working on that part. They are going to do 3. So my friend is working on that. So they have replied. So next few days they are going to improve per day 3 each mission. Today each mission is doing 1. They are improving that. Next few days they are going to improve up to 3 per day. So within a month they are going to do with the 20-30 machines. We are getting 75 machines are going to come. All over India they are collecting all these machines. So he is the actual manufacturer of all those machines. We are supplied all over India. Now we are asking them to come back to do the job in Warford. So next 1 month, whatever our requirement. Yes.
This is the real-time monitor. Whatever the sensors, the response, we are taking continuously. When they are hitting the hammer, at that time, from that period onwards, this record will appear. This one will save and will process the data. Final output will be in terms of shear wave velocity. Yesterday we run 2 test records. Like this, it is coming for 38 meters. We taken every 6 meters while record.
This blue and green or what?
This blue one is the low velocity.
Oh, blue is lowest.
These are the patches which they put there underground, which are having a very low stress. So either water
If
can
water
pass
force
through
is
it.
going to come, it is going to.
So when we construct actually a slab over it, before casting that slab, we strengthen the ground.
Okay.
So if we strengthen, we get all these kind of velocity.
It is higher velocities we can see.
Which is missing, but this is not very unusual. It happens in such
In
a
riverbed, it is quite common.
It's quite-
Velocities are
Sir,
also
our
400.
point is, because these all big constructions have taken place. This sort of tests have not been conducted.
that is now we are looking
Not
at.
conducted.
One more thing, sir. What you said is overall 4 test is more than exactly compared to superimpose the 2 things. Same section. Confirmatory report.
Okay.
Borewell is the final.
Yes,
that is
sir.
the
That is
exact.
the ground truth. Actual
This
ground truth.
sometimes
This is the measurement.
I heard
what
about
we are
it, I know
taking.
about
Yeah,
it.
they are
Sometimes it's up and down. It
Yes,
comes.
yes, yes.
This is not final.
They are not the confirmatory tests.
Yes, yes. My feeling is
Yes,
same.
sir. You are right. 100%.
I have full idea about this.
No, this is also good, right?
Good idea.
It will give